everyone. So today I'm going to discuss a quote. So I'm about to read it out to you. My poor dad often said, I'd rather be happy than rich. My rich dad said, why not be both? So this quote really stood out to me, and it was written by Robert Kiyosaki, and I believe it's in his Rich Dad, Poor Dad book. I still have yet to read that book, and I have to order it pretty soon. But this quote really resonates with me because a lot of people, they grow up thinking that money doesn't buy happiness. In a way, that's true. But it's always good to be happy with yourself first before you receive any kind of money. There's nothing wrong with having money and being happy, or having love and being happy. You can have both of those things. It doesn't have to be one or the other. And it seems like it's just one of those programs. As people grow up, they start to not have that relationship with money, and that's a bad idea. And people be wondering why they're in the situations they're in, because they don't have a good relationship with money. So always keep in mind that you can always have happiness and money at the same time. There's nothing wrong with that. So if you have any questions or concerns, please respond below and feel free to subscribe. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.